Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I've lost over 80 pounds on keto. I've been keto for just over a year now. I do keto vlogs, meal preps, reviews, everything keto based, my lifestyle. You'll see me and my kids. I do have a lot of new subscribers here, so welcome. Thanks for clicking subscribe. I have 4 beautiful kids, a fluffy husky, 2 kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That is a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow and helps me get out into the YouTube universe and meet more amazing people like yourself. So if you do like this video, please give it a like and leave me a comment down below. I really love reading what you guys have to say. So let's get on with it. This is part of the video where I show you what I'm eating for lunch and what I had for breakfast. Today, we are going back to the Chow, baby. Yes, the vintage bottle. We're going back to Keto Chow. Carnivore week is over. Did I lose? Well, let's see. I lost 1 pound. I lost 1 pound, and then the next day I went back up a pound. Just gonna say, I don't know. You know, it's also the mid of the month, and so this is when I usually start retaining water anyways, because it's almost the womanly month time. And I'm frustrated. I am ever so frustrated. I don't know, you know, anytime I've ever done it in the past, I've always lost. But you guys, my lowest is 224. Yes, my lowest is 224, and I am struggling to get back down to that. It has been a struggle for me for the past, I don't even know, like 4 months. I have been struggling. I have been in the 220s forever. And it's like once a month I will go down 1 pound. I need to go down to serious keto basics and avoid all sweets. I know what I need to do, so I can't really sit here and complain, because I know that I eat the sweets and I enjoy this, but you know, then there's days where I eat a perfectly fine keto meal. I don't have any sweets. All I eat is like meat and some vegetables, and it doesn't go down. But at the same time, again, I still can't complain because I'm still losing weight. I'm losing weight. I'm just not showing it on the scale. And as much as I know that my inches are going down little by little, it's still extremely frustrating to not see the number on the scale go down too. And so I kind of just don't even weigh really anymore, you know? I don't know. I know that I'm making better choices than what I did before, but I'm determined that this week I'm going to really just keep an eye on everything that I'm consuming. I do have Keto Chow today with pecan oil, 1/4 cup of pecan oil, 4 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and then the rest water. And this is strawberry, the regular strawberry, not the natural strawberry. I just don't care for that kind. How I miss the Keto Chow. I'm not gonna lie, it was really nice eating some like meat and stuff too at lunchtime. So I am going to drink my Keto Chow. I'm going to reply to some comments, and I'll see you guys after work. First thing I did when I got home is whip up a batch of this chili. I just had some cut up peppers, red and green, and onion. That was a fajita mix that I got from the store the other day, and I just threw that in. Yeah, this is it. Delicious, warm, hot chili. You guys are probably like, all you do is eat chili. Pretty much. Chili, chicken, and steak, and tacos. But hey, eat what works for you, right? Also, Kiss My Keto sent me some things to try and review. And let's see, I already ate the gummies because I've had these before and I really like them. They're very, very good. And then they sent me 3 bars. Now, I had tried the chocolate peanut butter bar and I absolutely loved it. It was 3 net carbs, 9 grams of protein, and 20 fat. It was so good. But they also have a chocolate cookie dough, which pretty much same macros except for 19 grams of fat. And then they have a chocolate coconut, which is 1 extra net carb. It's 4 net carbs, 10 protein, and 20 grams of fat. And then they also sent me keto bone broth. So it's 3 gram net carbs. This is actually interesting. I might make this for like breakfast in the morning, maybe. I'm not sure. So keto bone broth, 3 gram net carbs, beef chili. Keto bone broth, Thai green curry chicken, 1 net carb. And then this one is 2 net carbs, lemon turkey. That sounds good. I'm not sure about the Thai green curry chicken, but we'll try it out. So thank you, Kiss My Keto, for sending this stuff to me. I do have a discount code if you're interested in trying any of their products. It is always in the description box below. And I highly recommend, I do recommend the bar, and because I haven't tried these 2 yet, but some people can't handle these gummies. Some people, this makes them run to the bathroom. I didn't have a problem with it at all, actually. I'm trying to see. There's a lot of fiber, and a lot of people, you know what I've come to realize? I think a lot of people can't stand that chicory root. I think that might bother some people, because Aaron and Misty both have problems with a couple of products that I've realized have that hickory root in it, and I have to wonder if that's what upsets their stomach so much. I'm gonna actually ask them about that. But yeah, they sent me this, and I'm excited to try the other flavors. Maybe I might pick one of these tonight, and I might try one of these tomorrow. Alright guys, so I have had those gummies before, and they did not affect me. I don't know if eating them alongside the chili made a difference, but I am so gassy that I am in pain. And it's like, I can't even believe what is happening inside my body right now. So I'm going to close the vlog out.
Did you just tell your vlog about how you're farting?
It's almost 6 o'clock now. I'm gonna shower and do all that stuff and eat a magic cookie or 2. Edit my video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you very much. Goodbye.